Hello everybody and welcome back to my second YouTube video on this channel. Today I want to do a little Wix Studio tutorial after I found a bar in my hometown which actually doesn't have a website yet, and it's a tiki bar, so I felt like okay, they have the same style as my own company, my own web design company Junglebyrd is kind of going for, also a little bit tropical. So since we kind of have the same vibe, I felt like creating a little website for them. Maybe they're gonna see this, maybe not, but I just did it to learn a little bit more about Wix Studio and show you guys a little tutorial on how to build websites. So yeah, I hope you like it. And if you have any own projects yourself for a website, or you need someone who does some website design for you, as I mentioned, Junglebyrd, my new web design company, is open for some new projects. So need a new website, contact me on Instagram, or go to my website www.junglebyrd.net and contact me there, or send me an email to info@junglebyrd.net. So yeah, if you want to see how to build websites like this, then stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I built this step by step. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm back in Wix Studio now, as you can see, and I've just created a new project, a new site. So let's start. First of all, here we have the first section of the website, the hero section. So I want to make our website have like the full view, the full height of the screen. So I'm gonna turn on the settings here and select the height, the H. Now it's on auto. I'm gonna put it to viewport height and put it to 100. So now the full screen, 100% of the screen when the website is started is the first section. Also now we have the header here, the header section. I want to create the look that the header is part of the hero section, of the first section. So we're gonna put the header to pinned. That means if I now change the color, let's say, just a random color to gray, and put the color of the header section to 0% opacity, that also the header section will have the same color or will be part of the hero section, the first section. Okay, so let's start by building the section. Let's put this back to white, but we're gonna have another background anyways, because I prepared a few pictures already and I uploaded them into Wix Studio. So therefore we go to media, and here you can see all the files I already uploaded, which we're gonna use. So for the background, I'm gonna use this image and adjust it to the full screen. So now you can also see that the header section is part of our first hero section here. So now we have the background. We're gonna add some more elements by clicking the plus button and media, and we're gonna choose some files we already had. Choose the couches, and now they should be placed. Yeah, now they're right. I'm gonna put them to the left. I'm gonna make them a tiny bit here to the left, and okay. Now let me add some more images and then we will arrange them. So let's add a text, an H1, which is the main heading of our website. So I'm going to drag it out here, text and heading 1, and add it to our first page. Let's call it like the bar, Ticuna. Let's use another font. I found one fitting one before, also based on the logo, which we're still gonna upload. Droid serif. And let's put the size to 250 to make it really nice and prominent on the page. Since we won't have a lot of text on the first page, it will be the main page text, so it should be prominent. And since you have a nice little bar here, let's act like the text is written on the bar, and let's put the middle of the word, the U, in the face of this tiki figure. I think it looks quite rounded out. And let's give this a white color so that it separates a bit from the rest and is more prominent. Okay, then we're going to add one more element to the main page, which is going to be the cocktail that's going to be floating on top of our main page. So let's add another medium, and here we have the drink, tiki drink. Let's add it to the side, and I'm gonna rotate it a bit, just like this. Make it a tiny bit bigger, and then I want to put it to the center, and also to the center of the vertical, like this. And now let's add a little animation to it, a little loop, the breathe, so that it's gonna go up and down like this, like it was shown. We can also adjust it. We can change the way it's gonna go, how long, how wide up and how long down it's gonna go, how long it takes for one full loop. And we have the ease in, out sign for a smoother movement. So I think like this it's quite nice. So yeah, let's keep it like this. The last thing I want to do is to add a logo. So I'm gonna add another image that I uploaded already, and let's add the Ticuna logo. Which is a little bit too big now, so let's make it a bit smaller. And bring it to the left. Just like this. Maybe like this would be nice. And now we have the logo in the header. Okay, looks good for now. To give it a smoother feeling, let's also add some animations for our couches and the other elements. Let's go to entrance and let's make a smooth glide animation for the couch. That's a bit too fast and I wanna make it go from the right side to the left, so let's put the direction to 90 degrees and let's make this a bit longer so it's smoother. Let's see how it goes. That's nice, I like it like that. Let's also use this couch, make another entrance and a glide from the left side like this almost, but I think it still is too fast. So I'm gonna give it some more time. And also I want to make it appear a bit later than the right couch. So I'm gonna add a delay of 1.1 second. That's smooth. Okay, I also want to have an entrance for the cocktail. Here we can have a lot of different effects actually. I want to kind of make it float up from the bottom like this, but a bit later, so that we can still see the text when the page is loaded long enough, and that the cocktail is the last kind of element being placed on the page. Just like this. Yeah. And let's also give a little entrance animation to the text, just a little fade in or expand, something small. That's nice. Yep, that looks good. I'm also going to add a little bit to the rest, so that everything kind of has a little bit of depth. Okay, so I also added some more elements to the navigation bar, and I gave some animations to the other elements we have here on the hero section. So let's check how it actually looks like when we start the website, how it's loaded, how the animations work out, and yeah, let's have a look. Okay, that's really nice. I like it. Seems like a nice animation. So let's add one more thing, and that would be a button. I think every hero section should have some kind of call to action, so that visitors know what they should do next. So let's add a button. For this case, I really like the rounded button with a little icon here. Let's make it bigger. Let's also send it to the middle of the screen like this, so it overlays a little bit with the cocktail glass. I like that style. The color, but I want to add a little bit of color from the logo, so let's make it this kind of red. Let's also add the symbol and the text. I'm gonna say drinks. And for the symbol, let's choose some kind of icon, like an arrow or something. Yeah, something like this. A downward looking arrow. Yeah, that would be cool. Let's make the mouse over color also in a violet, so it fits the vibe. Can also change the layout, because I want them to be a little bit more separated, the icon and the text. So let's put this to 15 pixels. Okay, the video has been going for quite a while now already, so let's do it like this. I'm gonna do a part 2 of how I did the signature cocktail section with all the animations. So yeah, if you want to see part 2, subscribe to the channel, and then I'm gonna see you there. So that was it. I think it came out really nicely, the website. For sure, let me know down below in the comments what you think about the website. Give me your feedback. Also, As mentioned, my web design company Junglebyrd is taking on some new projects. So if you actually need some help for your new website for your company, whether it's a local small business or medium business or even a bigger company, bigger enterprise, let me know. Reach out to me on Instagram at Junglebyrd. Also follow me there. Or visit my website, junglebyrd.net, where you can also contact me, or you just write me an email directly at info@junglebyrd.net, and I'm happy to chat with you. So yeah, I really hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this and more insights into web design. Also I would really appreciate if you'd like this video, and it means a lot to me. See you in the next one, and bye bye.